This is Seamers from Seamers HD. Gonna unboxing tonight. This is the Uno 560 Mark IV Flash. So, gonna sit back and relax, and we're gonna open this bad boy up. Then I'm back again, and let's see what inside of this box. So pretty heavy box. Here is it with the bubble wraps. So, gonna remove it from the box. Oh, yeah, there's the manual. Move the box. And this is the manual. And here's the flash. This is the flash itself. So just gonna remove the plastic. This is the front side of the flash, and here's the back side of the flash. So we're gonna dismount it to the camera, and we will gonna be right back. This is the Uno 560 Mark IV mounted on this D3200 camera, and we were gonna take some picture of this. Bye. Thanks for watching.